So hello everyone, welcome back to this session. So in our previous sessions we have discussed with the DFTs, IDFTs, magnitude and phase, all of them, and some of the important problems which we have discussed. Okay, those problems, those who have not seen the video, you can refer it. And without wasting any time, let's continue with the concepts. Okay, so the next concept is DFT, that is discrete Fourier transform, as a linear transform, or we can say that matrix method. Okay, so now the same thing, we need to be finding the DFTs of the sequences, but the method here is different. Okay, that they would be mentioning in the question only in the final exams or in your internals. Okay, they would be giving you a particular sequence, and they would be telling you to find the DFT using this method, that is either formula method or matrix method. Okay, whichever, in both the cases the answer of the sequence is we would be getting the same, just the method is different. Okay, so this is one more method here, that is DFT as a linear transform, or in short we can say that it is a matrix method. So now what and all are the changes in this matrix method? Let us discuss now. It's very easy, okay, because you know the basics of matrix, right? How matrix multiplication is occurring. If you know that, this is going to be very easy for you. Okay, so not much, I would just going to tell you now how to do. So you know the formula for DFT, that is x of k is equal to summation of n is equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of n e power minus j 2 pi k n by n, where n stands for the length of the sequence, where k stands from 0 to n minus 1. Okay, so now we have one term called as twiddle factor written here. Okay, twiddle factor. So now what is this twiddle factor is, in this e power, this is right there, right? In this e power minus j 2 pi by n, okay, this is called as twiddle factor, and that is represented as w. Okay, not omega, it is w, small letter w. Okay, that is called as twiddle factor, where twiddle factor w is equal to e power minus j 2 pi by capital N. Okay, so now that change you should be doing in the main equation. Now this is called as twiddle factor, again I am telling you all. Now x of k is equal to summation n tends to 0 to n minus 1, write the equation as it is, and in place of e power minus j 2 pi by n, substitute it as x of n, keep it as it is, w to the power kn. Okay, kn remains, right? So w to the power kn, where k is equal to 0 to n minus 1. So now how to represent this equation in the form of matrix is, this is, I am telling you for general example, I am telling you for n is equal to 4. Okay, I've just taken the length of the sequence in this case as 4. Okay, for n is equal to 4, how to write the in matrix, how to write this, we need to be splitting this summation as well as this. Okay, k tends from 0 to 3 in this case, and n is equal to 0 to 3, because you have taken n is equal to 4. So now how to represent this in matrix is, first write x of k is equal to this one matrix, you write of all the terms of this you should split it and write it as x of 0. How we do it in linear formula method, right? In the same way, where n tends from 0 to 3, that is x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3, you write it in as a 4 cross 1 matrix. Okay, this is a 4 cross 1 matrix, right, where it consists of 4 rows and a single column. So this is called as 4 cross 1 matrix. Into, we should be using now the twiddle factor. So now how to represent this twiddle factor is, you write w as it is, and then in since it is the length of the sequence is 4, we should be knowing that the first matrix we should be splitting this and writing it as how many length are there, that much from n is equal to 0 to that much. Okay, that you should be doing it. Then in the next set of matrix, right, the length of the sequence is 4 in this case, so we should be writing a 4 cross 4 matrix here. Okay, how much ever is the length of the sequence, that much, that is a n cross n. If the length of the sequence is n, we should be constructing an n cross n matrix here. Okay, that is, in this case it is 4 cross 4 matrix. So for that, what we should be doing is, now this omega to the power kn is there, right, k and n. In the place of vertically, you substitute all the values of k which tends from 0 to 3, that is k is equal to 0, k equal to 1, k equal to 2, k equal to 3, and in horizontally you should be writing n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Then what you should be doing is, write all the 4 cross 4 matrix, everywhere write this w here, ww, then multiply 1 by 1, that is this and this you multiply, 0 into 0 is 0, 0 into 1 0, 0 into 2 0, 0 into 3 0. Similarly for 1 into 0 0, 1 1s are 1, 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3. Similarly 2 0s are 0, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Then 3 zeros are 0, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Like this you should be writing the matrix here, 4 cross 4 matrix. Okay. And one more common thing I would tell you guys in these kind of problems is this reverse L is there, right? This remains the same for all the problems which we solve for matrix. Okay. How much ever matrix problems we are solving, right? This reverse L is there, right, where it consists of all omega power 0 terms, or we know that anything power 0 is 1. So these all the terms are equal to 1. Okay, you should be remembering this whichever matrix problem you are solving, this reverse L where all the terms are equal to omega to the power 0 or it is equal to 1. Okay, that you should be keeping in mind. So in this way we should be writing, I am just taken an example of n is equal to 4, I am written the matrix of 4 cross 4 here, like this you should be writing. So now after this we should be trying to find the values of omega power 0, omega power 1, omega power 2 and w power 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. All these 4 terms now we should be finding out. So now how to find that is w to the power 0, that is equal to, we know that w is equal to e power minus j 2 pi by n. Okay, that I am writing it here, e power minus j 2 pi by, in this case the value of n we have taken it as 4, and in place of w to the power kn is there, right? In place of kn what we have? 0. So we should be directly splitting it as 0, and we know that e power 0 is 1, so we would be getting it 1 here. Then again the same thing, w to the power 1, that is equal to e power minus j 2 pi by 4 into, in place of kn we have 1 now. So that's why that is equal to e power minus j 2 pi by 4. If we put that in the calc, we would be getting minus j. Okay, you can check it later. Similarly for omega power 2, e power minus j 2 pi by 4 into, in place of kn we have 2. So we would be left with e power minus j pi, that is equal to minus 1. Then similarly omega w power 3, that is e power minus j 2 pi by 4 into 3, that is equal to 6 pi by 4. So if we do put it in the calc, we would be getting the answer as plus j. Okay, like this we should be finding the values of omega power 0, w power 0, w power 1, w power 2, w power 3. 4 values because the length of the sequence is 4. If the length of the sequence is 5, we should be finding again w power 4. Okay, similarly. So now your question would be arising like so here we don't have only up to w power 3, we have w power 4, 6, 9 and all. How to split that? So now that's one task here, that is, we have found out what is w power 0, it is 1. Okay, we have found out w power 1, we have found out w power 2, w power 3, w power 2, 3 we have found out, but these 4 values we have not found out yet. So now how to find out it? It's very simple. We should be following this cyclic process here. Okay, that is, if this is w power 0, 1, 2, 3, then w power 4 would be again this. Okay, this itself is w power 4, that is, this is w power 4, then this is w power 5, w power 6, w power 7, again w power 8, w power 9. Okay, like this it goes on continuously. See, if this is 0, 1, 2, 3, then this is again 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and goes on. Okay, like that we should be splitting all the terms of these matrices, and then you should be writing all the terms. Okay, that I have represented here. Another trick how to remember the values of w power 0, 1, 2, 3 is, we should be constructing one 4 quadrant system here. Okay, that is, this is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant, right? So draw this in what to say, clockwise direction, like this. This is omega power 0, w power 0, w power 1, w power 2 and w power 3. Okay, where here w power 0, so in place of this real axis you write plus 1 and minus 1, and here in this imaginary axis you write it as plus j and minus j. Then you go in a clockwise direction and check all the values of w power 0, 1, 2, 3. That is, if this is plus 1, then we have minus j, then minus 1, then plus j. Okay, then again it goes on. This is w power 4 again, 1, minus j, minus 1, plus j. Okay, like this you should be splitting here. So here one random example also I have taken here, that is for a sequence of 1, 2, 3, 4 you should be finding the DFT. Okay, what I have done is again x of k, then all the terms I have written here in 4 cross 1 matrix, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then here we should be splitting on 4 cross 4 matrix, that is these and all are the values of w power 0 as you can see here. Okay, see I have written it, all the values of this as 1, okay, which we have found out here. Then w power 1, that is equal to minus j. See here in place of w power 1 I have written it as minus j. Then w power 2 is minus 1, w power 3 is plus j. Then again what is here, w power 2, that is again minus 1. Then w power 4, that is, this is 3, if this is 3, the next term w power 4 would be again w power 0 only, then that is equal to 1. Okay, that I have written it 1 here. Then next is w power 6. So if this is 4, then this is 5, 6, then that is minus 1. Okay, then next w power 3, that is j. Then 6, that is if this is 3, then 4, 5, 6, that is minus 1. Okay, then 9, if this is 6, then this is 7, 8, 9, that is minus j. Okay, so this matrix, right, this would be remaining constant for all the sequences where the length of the sequence is 4. Okay, in order to remember this matrix, what you should be doing is like this. You should remember, that is, first column consists of 1, 1, 1, 1, second column consists of 1 j, 1 j, third column consists of again 1, 1, 1, 1, fourth column consists of 1 j, 1 j. I am telling you how to remember this matrix in case of only 4 cross 4 where length of sequence is 4. Okay, so now if you when you write like this, okay, then wherever minus sign is there, put like so. In the first row as well as first column we don't have any minus sign. Then here in the second column, the leaving first term, next two terms would be having the minus sign. Then in the third column, down this j there would be one minus sign. Along with that we have here the minus sign, that is it is 1 minus 1 1 minus 1, like that you can remember. First column all the terms are 1, in third column it is 1 minus 1 1 minus 1, and in the fourth column the last two terms are minus. Okay, like that you can remember this 4 cross 4 matrix. Okay, so now nothing then much to do. Then what to do, what we should be doing is we should be multiplying these two matrix. Okay, you know how to multiply, right? First column into first row, that is 1 into 1 plus 2 into 1 2 plus 3 into 1 3 plus 4 into 1 4. That I know, I guess you might be knowing it because you have studied it in your lower classes. Then again this one column into the second, this one row into the second column, that is again 1 ones are 1, 2 into minus j, that is minus 2j, 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3, 4 into j, that is 4j. Okay, that is equal to 1 minus 2j minus 3 plus 4j. Then 1 ones are 1, you consider third column and this one row, 1 ones are 1, 2 into minus 1 minus 2, 3 ones are 3, 4 into minus 1 minus 4, that is 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4. Similarly 1 plus 2j minus 3 minus 4j. Okay, then simply add all of this, then that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, that is 10. 1 minus 2j minus 3 plus 4j, that is 1 minus 3 is minus 2, minus 2j plus 4j is plus 2j. So we have minus 2 plus 2j. 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4, that is equal to minus 2. Then 1 plus 2j minus 3 plus 4j, that is equal to 1 minus 3 is minus 2 plus 2j minus 4j is minus 2j. So like this we would be getting one matrix, and this matrix only would be your answer. Okay, this answer you can cross check by using the formula method as well. This same answer we are going to get for this sequence 1 2 3 4. Okay, yeah, so this was all about DFT as a linear transform matrix method, and this trick I've told you, this quadrant method trick, this includes only for 4 cross 4 matrix. Okay, where you don't need to be finding these values here. You can directly write it since it is time consuming. But if they ask for other length, that is 5 cross 5, 6 cross 6, you should be finding all of these values of omega 0, 1, 2, 3, then write the matrix properly, okay, by using this K and N method. Write all the terms, then find the terms, then write all the values of the terms in the matrix. That would be taking time. But this is for 4 cross 4. Generally in 50 to 60% most of the time they would be asking 4 cross 4 method problem only, okay. Yeah, so this was this 4 cross 4 method matrix. So hope you understood this. Similarly, see, I have written it for if the length of the sequence is 5, how we would be getting the matrix here. X of k is equal to all the terms, the x of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 into a 5 cross 5 matrix again, where here we have the values of k 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have values of n 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So one by one I have multiplied it and wrote it. That is this whole reverse L is omega power 0. This won't be changing. Then we have omega 1, 2, 3, 4, omega 2, 4, 6, 8, omega 3, 6, 9, 12, omega 4, W4, 8, 12, 16. Okay. So this is one 5 cross 5 matrix here I have written. So please you can note it down. So now let's solve a few of the problems, very important problems, and wind this session. So this is the first question here. Using matrix method, find DFT of the sequence where they have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here you can see that directly we can say that the length is 5. So you should be writing a 5 cross 5 matrix, right? So this is one bit time consuming problem, yet very easy problem, but you should be very quick in solving this. I am going to solve it in a very slow manner, okay? First write the formula for matrix method. X of k is equal to summation of n is equal to 0 to 4. Okay, these are all I am going to write it faster because I hope so you would be knowing till now because we have solved so many problems. So x of n e power minus j 2 pi k n by 5, right, where k value is from 0 to 4, okay, since the value of n is 5. So now we should be writing the by substituting the twiddle factor, that is summation of n equal to 0 to 4 x of n in place of e power minus j 2 pi by 5 you should be writing w to the power kn, okay, where k is equal to 0 to 4. Then we should be writing the matrix in form of matrix. First we should be writing one 5 cross 1 matrix where x of 0, we should be splitting this summation first, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3, x of 4, then into 5 cross 5 matrix. So what we should be writing, 5 terms like this, omega power 0, w power 0 horizontally and vertically, inverse L. Okay, this is the first thing you should be doing whenever they ask in matrix method. See the length of the sequence, that much that length into n cross n matrix you should be drawing, okay, where first thing you should be writing like this. Then in the second column we should be writing the multiples of 1, that is w1, w2, w3, w4. Then in the next column write all the multiples of 2, w2, w4, w6, w8. Similarly next column write multiples of 3, w3, w6, w9, w12. Similarly write multiples of 4, 8, 12, 16. Okay, this is one trick you can remember. Then now we should be finding the values of w0, w1, w2, w3 as well as w4. Okay, since the length of the sequence is 5, you should be finding all the 4 values up to w4. So we know that is equal to w is equal to e power minus j 2 pi by 5 into, in place of k power kn we have 0, so directly we can write w0 equal to 1. w1 e power minus j 2 pi by 5 into 1, that you should be putting in the calci here. Okay, we have in place of theta 2 pi by 5. I have already written the equation. Press calc, it will be asking the value of a 2 pi by 5, that is equal to 0.31 minus 0.95 j. Okay, Then next is w power 2 e power minus j 2 pi by 5 into 2, that is equal to 2 2s are 4, so 4 pi by 5 this time, 4 pi by 5, that is equal to minus 0.81 minus 0.58 j. Similarly w3 e power minus j 2 pi by 5 into 3, okay, that is equal to 2 3s are 6, so 6 pi by 5 now, 6 pi by 5, that is equal to minus 0.81 plus 0.58 j. Then finally w4 e power minus j 2 pi by 5 into 4, that is equal to 2 4s are 8, so 8 pi by 5, 8 pi by 5, 0.31 plus 0.95 j. Okay, hope this is clear. Like this we found the values of omega w power 0 1 2 3 4. Now we should be writing the substituting all the terms of this matrix. Okay, again we should be drawing the matrix x of k is equal to, substitute the values of x of 0 1 2 3 4 in the given sequence. It is 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so the first matrix is 1 2 3 4 5 into, draw one big matrix here because the terms here we have complicated terms, complex terms, so we should be having a space. Okay, and don't write it in a congested way. We should use a lot of space because the terms are complex terms. So if you write it in a conjuncted way, it would be very difficult for you, and you would not be able to recognize which term are you multiplying with while doing the multiplication, matrix multiplication. Okay, you should be very careful. Okay, first thing is what to do is 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. This thing you should be doing it first. Okay, any problem we should be doing it first. This thing you don't need to calculate only the value of w power 0, since it is 1, you know that, so directly you can write w power 0 is 1. Then split the value of w power 1. See, this w power 1 is this term, right? So write that 0.31 minus 0.95 j. Then w power 2 is minus 0.81 minus 0.58 j. w3 is minus 0.81 plus 0.58 j. Okay, so if it's not visible, I'm telling it from my mouth, so you please listen it and write it. 0.31 plus 0.95 j. Okay, these are the values of 1 2 3 4. Then next is 2 4 6 8. So this is 2, that is minus 0.81 minus 0.58 j. Next is 4, this value 0.31 plus 0.95 j. Next is 6, so if this is 4, this is 5 and 6, so this is the answer, 0.31 minus 0.95 j. Then next is 8, so if this is 6 7 8, so 0.81 plus 0.58 j. Similarly, write the values of w3 6 9 12 4 8 12 16. So now I would write it directly because I would be wasting time here. You write it. I am going to pause the video and write those values, since you know right how to write. I've told you, right? So yeah, I've written it. So now you should be multiplying it. So first is 1 into 1 1, 2 into 1 2, 1 plus 2, 3 ones are 3, 4 ones are 4, 5 ones are 5. This is the first row. Second row, one into 1 1, 2 into this term you should be putting in the calculator, should be very quick. 2 into 0.31 minus 0.95 I, that is equal to plus 0.62 minus 1.9 j, right? Next is 3 into this term, that is 3 into minus 0.81 minus 0.58 I, that is equal to minus 2.43 minus 1.74 J. Then 4 into this term. So here see minus and plus, so we don't need to clear it, here only we can change it. So this is here plus, right? So put plus and into 4, so you would be getting minus 3.24 plus 2.32 J. Then 5 into this term, 5 into 0.31 plus 0.95 I, that is equal to plus 1.55 plus 4.75 J. Okay. Then for third row, 1 ones are 1, 2 into this term again. So here 2 into this term, that is equal to 2 into this term, minus 0.81 minus 0.58 I, that is equal to minus 1.62 minus 1.16 J. Then 3 into this term, 3 into 0.31 plus 0.95 I, that is equal to 0.93 plus 2.85 J. So you can see, right, how much time it's going. So hope you understood this. So now what I'm going to do is, if I do this like this, it will be taking a lot of time. So I'm going to directly write all the terms here, then I'm going to simplify, okay, because it will be taking a lot of time. So here I've written all the terms here, okay, by using the matrix multiplication only. If I do write that, it will be taking a lot of time, so I've written it already. Okay, so now I'm going to do the simplification part. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, that is 5 plus 4 9 plus 3 12 13 14 15. First term is 15. Second term is, and underline all the imaginary terms, okay, separately added. First add all the numbers, that is 1, then we have plus 0.62, right, plus 0.62, then we have minus 2.43, then we have minus 3.24, then we have plus 1.55, that is equal to minus 2.5. Then add all the imaginary terms, minus 1.9i, minus 1.74i, plus 2.32i, plus 4.75i, that is equal to plus 3.43j, right? Similarly do it for the next row. Underline all the imaginary terms. Okay. First is 1 minus 1.62 plus 0.93 plus 1.24 minus 4, that is minus 2.45. Then all the imaginary terms. So don't need to put I because we are already separately doing it, right? So that's why minus 1.16 plus 2.85 minus 3.8 plus 2.9 plus 0.79j. Similarly for the fourth row, 1 minus 1.62 plus 0.93 plus 1.24 minus 4 minus 2.45. Then we have 1.16 minus 2.85 plus 3.8 minus 2.9, that is minus 0.79j. Then the last row, 1 plus 0.62 minus 2.43, then we have minus 3.24 plus 1.55, that is minus 2.5. Then we have imaginary terms 1.9 plus 3.74 minus 2.32 minus 4.75, that is minus 1.43J. So this is your final answer. Okay, so this long it would be taking, you should be very quick. Okay, this I would be taking a less time because I have the practice, but you guys, you should be very quick in using the calculators. So we took around 30 minutes for this problem only. So let's solve one more simple problem now. Within 5 to 6 minutes we'll finish. I know this video has become long, but still what to do guys, only one problem we have covered in this video. So one more problem let's solve. It would be taking maximum 5 minutes. Okay, that after that we'll wind it. So this is the next question. Find DFT of 4-point sequence where the value of x of n, they have given it as cos n pi by 4. So this question we have solved already using formula method. Okay, so now we should be solving this using matrix method now. Okay, so here without wasting any time, first write the sequence of x of n by substituting the value of cos n pi by 4. Since the value they have given it for 4-point sequence, you should be knowing that n is equal to 4. We should be splitting for 4 values of n starting from 0, 1, 2, 3. So in the calculator what we should be putting? Cos of a pi by 4. Then press calc, it will be asking the values of a. First value is 0, so that is 1. So the first sequence is 1. Then next value is 1, that is 0.707. Next value is 2, it is 0. Next value is 3, that is minus 0.707. Like this you should be finding the values. Okay, hope you might be knowing this now. So now we should be using the matrix method. Write the formula x of k is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to 3 n minus 1. So 4 minus 1 is 3. Then x of n, write w, write the twiddle factor w to the power kn, where k is equal to 0 to 3. Then write the matrix. First write the 4 cross 1 matrix, x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3. Then write w0 first 4 times horizontally, then vertically, inverted L. You might be knowing this from till now. Then in the second column, first multiples of 1, then multiples of 2, multiples of 3. Okay, since this is a 4 cross 4 matrix, already I told you one trick to remember, right? That only use it. First split the values of 0, 1, 2, 3, x of 0, that is x of 0 is 1, x of 1 is 0.707, x of 2 is 0, x of 3 is minus 0.707. Okay, then w power 0 is 1, so write that first. Then I told you one trick for 4 cross 4, that is 1j, 1j, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1j, 1j. First column consists of all ones. Third column consists of 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1. Second column consists of 1, minus j, minus 1, plus j, where the middle two terms are minus. Then in the fourth column, last two terms are minus. So in the first column, all the terms are 1. In the third column, it is 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1. In the second column, middle two terms are minus. In the fourth column, last two terms are minus. Okay, like this you should be remembering this 4 cross 4 matrix. Okay, this only applies for 4 cross 4. Then do the simple matrix multiplication. Okay, 1 ones are 1, 0.707 into 1, that is plus 0.707, 0 into 1 0, minus 0.707. Okay, then with the second column, 1 ones are 1, 0.707 into minus j, that is minus 0.707j, plus 0, then we have minus 0.707j again, because we are multiplying it with this. Then for third column, 1 ones are 1, minus 0.707, plus 0, minus into minus is plus, so plus 0.707. Fourth column 1 ones are 1, 0.707 into plus j, that is plus 0.707j plus 0, then minus into minus plus, so again plus 0.707j. So here minus 0.007 plus 0.707 gets cancelled. So here in the third column minus 0.0707 plus 0.707 gets cancelled. So final x of k matrix is, first is 1 plus 0 is 1. In the third column also it is 1 minus 0 is 1. In the second column 1 minus 0.707j minus 0.707j, that is minus 1.414j. Then we have 1 plus 0 1 plus plus, so plus 1.414j. Okay, so this is the answer which we have got. Also this kind of problem we have solved using formula method also, here you can see. Okay, yeah, so this problem we have solved using formula method also here, the same problem, and the answer which we have got is this. Okay, so you can see that this answer and the problem which we have solved just now using matrix method is matching. Okay, so yeah, so the method would be different, but we should be knowing which method they are asking the question, that they would be specifying which method. Using that method only you should be solving. But I prefer you, whenever you have asked for a 4x4 matrix 4-point DFTs, if they don't mention any method, okay, sometimes they won't be mentioning any method, then what you should be doing is you can apply any method and solve. But I suggest you to use this method because this takes a less time. Only I am telling for 4x4. If you go for 5x5 which you have solved in this previously, this will be taking a lot of time. Okay, yeah, so that's all for this session guys. This video has become very long. I would sorry, but those who are till now listening to me, hats off to you guys. You have a lot of patience. Okay, keep it up. So yeah, that's all. Thank you. Please keep supporting. Like the video guys. Thank you.